Hi everyone, this is Michelle. Again, I'm super happy to be invited by Wigs to give some tips about how to take care of your wigs and other stuff related to wigs. So today the topic is very important. It might seem simple, but we have a lot of rules to make sure that you're going to enlarge the life of your wig and you're going to get the greatest thing of it. So I made a list. And I probably will forget some points. I'm going to be reading just to make sure I won't forget any important information for you. So, how to take care of your wig. First part, pre-wash it. Gently remove the tangles with your fingers, or you can use a wide tooth comb. Start at the ends and slowly work toward the roots to avoid damage. Do not brush. Then when you wash, do not soak or submerge the product. You can just rinse it like by the ends and then you go up and then you do it with running water. The best water is cool one. Try to avoid using like very hot water, not to damage the fibers of your hair. Then you're gonna place a small amount of shampoo for color treated hairs and then you're gonna start like from the roots, you're gonna do it like a small massage to the ends. But important, remember not to use it, not to wash your wig when you're showering. It's much preferable to take it out and wash it like in a pan, in a sink, right? It's gonna be better for you. So, rinse it by holding under running water until the water runs clear. And then you can gently squeeze the excess of water. Do not twist or wring it.